All right, little change of scenery. Decided to sit outside. It's a beautiful day. Got that update from Jersey, who set up her outdoor workstation the other day and shared that with us. Thanks, Jersey. I agree. A little sunshine never hurt anyone. Wanted to close out the week and give you a preview of next week and give a couple of reminders. So here we are going into campaigning. This is your module. So next week is campaigning. If you have not finished all of module 3.3 public opinion, it will not allow you to open any of these items. That is the only restriction. As usual, there is no close date for assignments, just due dates. Make sure you get in there and get it done, or it will mark you late. Start at the beginning here with the overview. This will tell you what you should be doing every day. So here's our focus questions for next week. We're going to look at campaigns and elections and presidential elections and primaries and how all those things function in our democratic society. Monday and Tuesday, you wanted to read that chapter, take some chapter notes, watch the intro videos, do a discussion post. I do not have a lecture this week. I'm saving you up for next week. There is a discussion post. Remember, your initial reflection is due this next week on Tuesday. And then I've got some framers activities looking at the founding fathers, how they set up elections. Read it, complete the activity. You got a reading quiz. And then one different thing we have next week is a Zoom mandatory graded 10:15 to 11:15. So that is during our normal study lab time. And you should be able to get there regardless of your college schedule. We're going to discuss the pros and cons of Electoral College, get some questions answered, and have a chance to help drafting your final report, which is due at the end of the week. It's a one-pager essentially on Electoral College, taking a stand. Let me show you obviously here's your reading quiz. Let me show you really quickly the framers activity, because they're pretty much set up the same way. I have embedded the reading in there. So picking the president is the reading. You can see it's 4 pages. You can also click when you get the hand. You can open up the PDF and download it if you want to actually have a hard copy, print it, annotate it. You're one of the old school like me who actually likes to have that document right in front of me. That way, when I go to write my paper, I don't have to come back to this assignment. Your Word should open again as usual. Click the edit, put your name in, fill out advantages, disadvantages, and all of the rest on that reading. The primaries election requires you to go out to Ballotpedia. You'll do some research there. You'll also use this textbook reading, 194 to 205, to answer those. And then there are 2 videos that will help answer these questions as well. So get in there and watch those videos. They're short. After that, it takes you to the 2 articles on the Electoral College. You want to make sure before our Zoom meeting that you have read these articles. It will draft out the arguments for and against keeping the Electoral College and help you to answer this question: should the Electoral College be abolished? You got to take a stand. You can't say, I want to abolish this piece and keep this piece. It's all or nothing. So make sure you read those articles so you get those arguments laid out for you. All right, I want to keep us under 5 minutes, so I'm at 4:10. Last reminder for you is please, 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 if you need help, get onto Zoom during our study lab, 10 to 11 o'clock. I am sitting there hanging out with that Zoom window open for you between 10 and I usually don't leave there till about 11:15 to help you answer questions. I can answer, I can look at your screen, I can problem solve. If you're emailing me, it's not the best strategy. And if you're emailing me after school, after 3 o'clock, I'm not going to get back to you till the next day. And I'm going to take care of other things before I get to your student email. So if you need help, I am here every day, 10 to 11, help you out on Zoom. I'll answer your emails as they come in, but you might not get your answer right away. So just make sure you know I'm here to help you out. All right. See you guys in the week. Don't forget our Zoom meeting. I'll send out a reminder.